Look at this machine tool light in my hands. Its model number is F9P. It is a widescreen aluminum machine tool light. The surface of the light body is anodized. The light beads are pure gold wire 2835 light beads. RHOS beads have a Sophia layout which is covered with a diffusive panel. The light is soft and not dazzling, and it is characterized with high brightness, fast heat dissipation, low light attenuation, and long service life. Easy to install. The installation adopts a rotatable, L-shaped fixed bracket, and the input voltage can be 24 volts or 220 volts. It is suitable for the lighting for various machine tools. And let me light it up for you. Look forward to cooperating with you. Oujie Lighting.